Here's Bubba using Denali audio, and she's going to use the microphone and do her own karaoke. Go ahead.
I am singing.
I'll never let you down, even if I could. I give up everything, it's falling for your good. So hold me when I'm here, grab me when I'm down. You can hold me when I'm scared, always be there. So love me when I'm low. Stronger than I feel, and I hope that it feels different than today.
Okay, let's do the Bluetooth. Twist speaker on Bluetooth. Twist speaker on, turn, let the display show BT, and you hear the tone. So, okay. BT.
AKA
Now this is connected to. Now this is connected to the Bluetooth. This is from our playlist, and it works great. And this also has digital tuning for FM. This is FM, digital tuning. This is one of the stations. Okay, here we are. We're testing out the microphone because this will be used for karaoke.
Check 1, 2, 3.
And there's also a slot for the SD card, so you can play music from your card. And there's the USB, charge your phone at the same time. And there's another one for another mic. And this is the off and on button.
And mic volume control.
And the mic volume control there. And then what's
The
that?
bass.
The bass. And then
And the main volume.
And the main volume. Awesome.
She's a beast. I call her Kama. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey.